Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Akko, best known for its mechanical keyboards and custom keycaps, has ventured into smartphone territory with the MetaKey, a cleverly designed case that reintroduces a physical keyboard to the iPhone. The accessory attaches to the phone via USB-C and features a pass-through port, allowing users to charge or transfer data without needing to remove it. Designed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the upcoming 17 Pro Max, MetaKey combines functionality with nostalgia, restoring the familiar tactile feel of typing on real keys in a world dominated by touchscreens. The keyboard itself features a compact BlackBerry-style layout with backlit keys for comfortable use in dim lighting. Akko also adds shortcut options for everyday actions like activating Siri, voice dictation, or inputting numbers. A unique scroll mode allows the top two rows of keys to transform into navigation buttons, making it easier to browse through long social feeds or documents. To offset the extra length and weight that the keyboard adds, Akko includes a small 9-gram counterweight that attaches behind the keyboard, keeping the phone balanced and easier to hold. What makes MetaKey interesting is not just its utility but its revival of a once-cherished smartphone experience. Before touchscreens became universal, physical keyboards offered precision and speed that touchscreen typing often couldn't match. MetaKey taps into that memory, providing a more deliberate and tactile way of typing that could appeal to professionals or nostalgia-driven users alike. The inclusion of programmable shortcuts and a backlit layout also contributes to its modern practicality, all while aiding the native on-screen keyboard with text entry, thereby providing more screen space that is otherwise covered by it. In this growing niche of physical keyboard cases, Akko's MetaKey is inevitably pitted against the original iPhone keyboard case, which features a premium build and design integration. Clix offers a similarly tactile typing experience featuring contoured keys and deeper iOS support. Yet while Clix positions itself as a polished, high-end tool for power users, Akko takes a more accessible approach. By combining affordability, versatility, and thoughtful ergonomics, MetaKey makes the idea of a physical smartphone keyboard appealing to a much wider audience. Returning to the more affordable MetaKey, the case body is made from multi-layer polyurethane and thermoplastic materials that achieve a balance between sturdiness and lightness. Its design supports MagSafe compatibility, allowing users to attach chargers, stands, or wallets directly to the back. The MetaKey comes in 6 colors: black, white, pink, blue, green, and orange, offering a mix of playful and minimal aesthetics. For pricing, the iPhone 16 Pro Max version retails for $59.99, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max model will cost $69.99, with early buyers eligible for the same $59.99 price. Akko also introduced an updated version of its keyboard case for the iPhone 17 lineup, priced at $139 for the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro, and $159 for the 17 Pro Max. This latest model is said to be 40% thinner and 11% lighter than before, setting it apart not only from its earlier designs but also from Akko's MetaKey. It continues to feature the ergonomic sculpted keys that debuted in last year's edition and now includes lanyard holes on both sides, ensuring compatibility with Apple's new crossbody iPhone strap. That's it, guys. With that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you are new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.